How to turn on or turn off call bearing international calls accept home on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on supplementary services. After click on supplementary services, you will see click on call bearing. After click on call bearing, you will see you will see international calls accept home is here. If you want to turn on international call accept home, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see international call accept home is turned on. If you want to turn off international call accept home, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see international call accept home is turned off. You will turn on or turn off international call accept home is from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off call bearing international call accept home on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.